How's it going? This is Austin from Lasco Ford, Lasco Auto Parts, here to give you a sneak peek on our Ford Genuine spare tire kit for a 2015, 2016, 2017, and a 2018 Mustang. This is part number FR3Z-1K007-C. Again, that's FR3Z-1K007-C. As you see, this comes in Ford's original packaging. All of our parts are genuine, whether it's an accessory or it's a maintenance part. We do split the seal a little bit, that way we can add some extra packing material to ensure for a safe delivery. This is a 3-part kit. The first piece you'll see here is the trunk mounting bracket, that way you can fix it in your trunk, don't have to worry about it bouncing around. And it also includes instructions to make for a quick and easy installation. The next item you'll see in the package here, this is a jack. This way you don't have to lift up your car with your bare hands. There you are. And last but not least, we have the spare tire itself. As you see, it comes pre-inflated in the box, has a nice black finish here, and it's got the 5-lug pattern. There you are. So it comes with all 3 of those components, including the instructions in the original packaging. All of our products are genuine. They come right from the manufacturer. You can order these on www.lascoautoparts.com. Again, that's www.lascoautoparts.com. You can also give us a call at 810-593-1263. We'd be happy to help you out anytime. We'd be happy to have your business. As you see, we have some great discounts on all 4 genuine products, and really, it's just a click away. So thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful content, or if you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button below, or like the video, share with your friends. Thanks again for watching.
Hey, how's it going? This is Austin from Lasco Ford, Lasco Auto Parts, your one-stop shop for all Ford genuine parts and accessories. Just going to give you a quick tutorial today on how to use our website a little bit. So that's lascoautoparts.com. Again, that's www.lascoautoparts.com. Here on our site, you have access to Ford's full genuine catalog, to where you can search products by VIN, you can search products by the part number if you know that, and you can shop by vehicle. It's definitely a little more accurate to go by the VIN, but if you're choosing some simple parts, whether it's simple brake parts or things like that, usually you can just type in your simple vehicle information and you can find what you need. So just for review purposes, I'll just select a vehicle here. 2017 F-150 Platinum with the 5.0. Just going after a front rotor here, so I will select front brakes. I'll click on the rotor that I see in the nice diagram here, just like we see at the dealership. Here definitely gets a little more specific when you have your VIN, but I know when my vehicle was released, so I'll just go ahead and add that to my cart. That's really all I need, so I'll proceed to checkout. From there, you see that I have that item in my cart. You can definitely choose more if you need to, or less. It shows my estimated shipping to Fenton, Michigan is $8.86. You'll get a more accurate price when you check out and you add your actual shipping information. So I add my first, my last name, some simple contact information so we know where to ship to, and then I click continue with my order, and really it's as simple as that. All you need to do, type in some simple information about your vehicle, search what you need using essentially the catalog, and then type in some easy contact information, and from there you'll get your part within 3 to 5 days, and you'll be moved on with your day. As you can see from when I selected that rotor, it's about 33% off, which if you have a full cart full of things, it can actually add up quite quickly. So there's really no reason not to use this site. It's very easy. It's got all the accessories you need, all the maintenance parts you need, and it's all available just at your fingertips. There's really no reason not to use this site. Lasco Auto Parts is definitely the future, and we'd be happy to help you out. You can call us anytime at 810-593-1263. We can send you a free quote to your email. Again, we have huge discounts on all Ford genuine parts and accessories. Please feel free to like us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe if this content was useful, and thank you for watching our video, and I will release some very soon. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.